Truth about passive income from property. Most people think property can make you money while you sleep. Passive income, easy, effortless, it's a lie. Not because property can't generate cash, but because nobody tells you what it really takes to get there. The truth is, passive income doesn't exist until you earn the right to call it that. Most people buy a property, sit back and hope. They think the rent will magically cover everything. They forget about voids, repairs, tenant issues, tax, mortgage changes. They ignore the work behind every pound that actually lands in their account. Here's the reality. Property only becomes passive when you've built a system that works even when you're not looking. That means you've learned the market, you've sourced correctly, you've renovated wisely, you've chosen tenants who actually pay. You've structured finance to survive the worst, not the best. It's not luck, it's mechanics. And most people are behind before they even start because they believe the myth. The myth that you can invest without understanding the grind, without building control, without doing the work up front. Here's the thing. Once you understand the constraints, once you accept the mechanics, control is yours. You can predict the cash flow, you can minimize the risk. You can finally stop hoping and start earning. The rest isn't magic, it's discipline, it's systems. It's decisions made before the money arrives. So forget the idea of effortless income and focus on creating a foundation that actually allows it. That's the real path to what people call passive. Because when you have it, it's quiet. It works while you sleep, not because of luck, but because of design. Think about your next property move differently and ask yourself what systems you have in place, not what money it will make. If this was useful, please hit like and subscribe for more content like this.